Welcome to the Oracle Cloud Platform Partner Update. I'm Jürgen Kress, part of the Oracle Product Management team and your host. This month's topics include Oracle Cloud World in Las Vegas and free hands-on Oracle Digital Assistant and Oracle Integration Partner Trainings. So let's get started. Oracle Cloud World will take place October 17th to 20th in Las Vegas, USA. Some tips to prepare for the conference. Build your schedule in advance, look up the Oracle Integration and Digital Assistant sessions, and make sure you visit the demo ground. Wear comfortable clothes and shoes, drink some water during the day, and join us for a beer at many networking opportunities in the evening. We offer the following by invitation only workshops. The Customer Advisory Council for Integration and Digital Assistance takes place on Monday, October 17th. For partners, we offer the Executive Roundtable and technical workshops for integration and digital assistance. For details and registration, please reach out to myself. We continue to offer free hands-on trainings for Oracle partners. The goal of these technical workshops is to enable you to demo the solutions and to build a proof of concept. For developers and conversational AI designers, we offer the Oracle Digital Assistant Hands-on Bootcamp. This one-day training will take place September in US, EMEA and Latin America, and in October in Brazil, Asia Pacific and EMEA. For SaaS consultants who would like to connect ERP, HCM and CX Cloud, we offer the Oracle Integration Hands-on Bootcamp. Upcoming trainings include India and EMEA in October and South America and Asia in November. For additional future schedules, please see the community newsletters. For everybody who cannot make it to Las Vegas, we will summarize the highlights from Oracle Cloud World in our next community webcast. Ed Zhao will present the updates on database, Shalman Sheikh on Oracle Digital Assistant, and Neil Kominski on integration and Oracle Process Automation. Registration is open for the community webcast on October 25th, 4:30 CET Paris time. Please visit bit.ly/parswebcast. To summarize today's presentation, in case you are not yet a member in the partner communities, please register now. Prepare for Open World and we are looking forward to welcome you in Las Vegas. Registration is open for the free Oracle Digital Assistant and Oracle Integration hands-on trainings. And tune in the partner community webcast for an Oracle Cloud World summary on October 25th.
Thanks for watching.